Microsoft incorporated an idea in Business Central that people have been using for decades and are already familiar with. Can you guess what it is? Bookmarks. Just as you bookmark a page on your web browser, you can now bookmark pages within Business Central and they will show up on your homepage. One of the great features of Business Central is the ability to go to a page and select it as a bookmark, and then it'll be added right to your Role Center / homepage for you to access easily. So for this example, we want to add vendors to our homepage. So let's go up here, let's search for vendors. Let's go to the list page. Now you'll see that we're on the vendor list page. And all we really need to do to add this as a bookmark to our homepage is hover right over here to what looks like a little bookmark, select it, and it has now been added to our Role Center. Let's go back and take a look. And there you can see vendors is now on our Role Center, so we can access vendors fairly quickly.